Telangana State District Janagan, ZPPSS Ganu Pahad. We are developing an innovative idea for understanding the concept of TMC in mathematics. Most of the students could not understand the maths concepts and fear to learn the maths. We introduced one new idea, that volume of water in 1 TMC. With guidance of my maths teacher Ravindra Alluri, we are collecting some materials.
I collected some cubes which are made up of glass of different sizes.
We have collected different glass. We have collected jars of different sizes.
Syringes of different ml.
We need to prepare colorful water with the help of food color. We need to fill 1 ml of water in the syringe, and after filling, we need to pour in 1 centimeter cube. We need to fill 8 ml of water in syringe, and after filling, we need to pour in 2 centimeter cube. We need to fill 27 ml of water in syringe, and after filling, we need to pour in 3 centimeter cube. Firstly, we need to fill 20 ml of water in syringe, and after filling, we need to pour in 4 centimeter cube. One time, second time 20 is equals to 60 ml, and we need to fill 4 ml of water in other syringe, and we need to pour in 4 centimeter cube. 64 ml of water poured in 4 centimeter cube. We need to fill 100 ml of water in jar, and we need to pour in 5 centimeter cube. Secondly, we need to take 20 ml of water in syringe, and we need to pour in 5 centimeter cube. Thirdly, we need to take 4 ml of water. Lastly, we need to take 5 ml of water in syringe, and we need to pour in 5 centimeter cube, and it is equal to 125 ml. Firstly, I have taken 500 ml of water in 500 ml jar, and I have poured in 8 centimeter cube. Still, we have some space to fill the water in 8 centimeter cube, and I have taken 10 ml of water in syringe, and I have poured in 8 centimeter cube. Lastly, I have taken 2 ml of water in syringe, and I have poured in 8 centimeter cube, and it is equal to 512 ml of water in 8 centimeter cube. Firstly, we need to fill 1 liter of water in 1 liter jar, and we have to pour in 10 centimeter cube. Now it is completely filled up. Firstly, 1 centimeter cube is filled by 1 ml of water. Secondly, 2 centimeter cube is filled by 8 ml of water. Next, 3 centimeter cube is filled by 27 ml of water. 4 centimeter cube is filled by 64 ml of water. 5 centimeter cube is filled by 125 ml of water. 8 centimeter cube is filled by 512 ml of water. Lastly, 10 centimeter cube is filled by 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. 1 centimeter cube is equal 1 ml. 2 centimeter cube is equal 8 ml. 3 centimeter cube is equal 27 ml. 4 centimeter cube is equal 64 ml. 5 centimeter cube is equal 125 ml. 8 centimeter cube is equal 512 ml. 10 centimeter cube is equal 1000 ml. And lastly, 1 feet cube is equal how much? Lastly, in 1 feet cube, how much of water can be filled? And 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, and 1 feet is equal to 12 inches is equal to 12 into 2.54 centimeter is equal 30.48 centimeter. 1 feet cube is equal 30.48 centimeter into 30.48 centimeter into 30.48 centimeter is equal 28,316.84466 ml of water, and is equal 28.316 liters. And TMC 1000 million cubic feet, 1000 into million, 28.316 liters is equal 10 to the power of 9 into 28.316 liters is in standard form is equal 10 to the power of 10 into 2.8316 liters. Volume of water in 1 TMC is equal 10 to the power of 10 into 2.8316 liters. Okay friends, volume of water in 1 TMC is equal 10 to the power of 10 into 2.8316 liters. Thank you for watching.